Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Queen Laurentis Watch channel. Please guys, if this is the first time of coming across my video, please do well to subscribe. Turn on your notification post so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So guys, what we're going to be making today, we're going to be making marmalade. If you're in Europe, you should know what marmalade is. It's usually for kids, even for adults. Usually easy to eat bread, pancake. Usually easy to eat many stuff. What you need is some sugar. You need some sugar. You need this flour. You need a hand blender, a knife, a deep pot, and some bottles. So guys, what we're going to be doing now, I'm going to be cutting this open. I'm going to be cutting it into 4 parts. So just watch me do that. So guys, as you can see, I'm cutting them already. This is how it should be. You first of all cut it open and then you cut it into another part again. It should be like this. So this is the one remaining now. So guys, as you can see, we are done with the cutting. Our next step is to add in the sugars. Add in your sugar and put on your gas. Just continue giving it a stir. Continue giving it a stir till you see the water coming out from it. Then I'll see you guys when we are at that part. So guys, as you can see, I'm almost there but not there. Just keep on stirring. Just keep on stirring it till these are stuffed. Just been helping it by pressing it down a little bit. Keep stirring it. Keep stirring it till it is stuffed. You can see the juicy parts. The juice are coming out already. So just keep stirring. So guys, these are what we are looking for. Just keep on stirring it. Keep on stirring it till they become soft. Have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? What are you waiting for? Click on that red button. Click on it. Click on it. If you are my old-time subscribers, thank you very much for always watching my video. Thank you very much for always stopping by. Thank you for always sharing my video. Thank you for always giving me that beautiful thumbs up. I appreciate you all. Guys, please share this video. Share this video. If you are a mother, you need this video. Stop wasting your money. At least you can do this yourself and get a whole lot of it. A whole lot out of just a few you can buy from the supermarket. Just keep stirring. Keep on stirring till it becomes very, very, very soft. Sorry guys for my bad English. Till it becomes very soft. Just keep on stirring it. Keep on giving it a very good stir till it is very, very soft. So guys, as you can see, it's very, very soft now. This is where my blender will come in. This is where my blender will come in. I'll be using the blender because I don't want to deft you guys' ear. I don't want to deft your ear. Okay, so this is it. My blender will be coming in now. guys, as you can see, the blender, I've done blending it. So just keep on stirring it till it is done. When it's done, it's brownish, so the color is going to change, and then we'll fill it into the bowl. See you guys when it's ready. So guys, this is how it is when it's ready. Now we're going to be filling it into the bottles. I'm going to fill it into these bottles now. So guys, as you can see, I've filled in them already. This is how they look. This can stay as long as you want. Just put on the date which you made it. They can stay as long as you want. So guys, if this video was helpful to you in any way, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification post, and share to your friends. You don't know who might be in need of this. It might be of help to someone. Just share to your friends, your loved ones, your family, your well-wishers, your village people, your wishes and wizard family, so they can help me. Watch the video. Thank you guys. See you all in my next video.